How to fix your iPhone is stuck in the recovery mode. So if your iPhone is stuck on this window here, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to solve this. So the first method is by using your laptop or computer. Now all you need to do is connect your phone to your laptop using a USB-C cable. Now once your phone's connected, you'll need to go and load up the iTunes app. You can then try manually updating or restoring your iPhone using iTunes, and that's the first way to go and solve this issue. Now, if it's not working or you don't have a computer or laptop, there is one more way to go and solve the issue. So we can do this with a simple key combination. Now, what you need to do is quickly tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down. You could then hold the lock screen button, and after about 10 seconds, the screen will go black. Continue to hold this button down until you see the Apple logo appear. You can then go and release the lock screen button. Your iPhone will then restart, and that will have solved the issue where you're stuck on this recovery page.